It's June. Pete, it's June. Kate, holiday? Pete, no, it's exam time. Kate, first exams and then holiday time? Pete, no holiday this time. I have to complete cleaning the big white gate. Kate, big white gate? Pete, yes, it's the big gate on Nicolson Road. Kate, that gate? It will take a long time. Pete, yes, I know. I dislike it, but I will rake in lots of cash if I complete it before the end of June. Kate, I can help you after 5 if I can leave my bag inside the shed next to the gate. Pete, yes, that's cool. If I can use your big hose, we will finish in no time. Kate, you will have lots of cash, so please ask me out for a date. Pete, it's a deal, and we can dine in a fine fast food shop. Kate, no, I want a date in a 5-star bistro. Pete, what?